functions of Udana Vayu, the fourth vital pranic air current located near thoracic region, from the book called The Practice of Brahmacharya, written by Swami Shivananda. The functions of Udana Vayu at the gross level. Udana at its physical level. Udana is the fourth manifestation which operates in the extremities, the arms, legs, neck and head. This prana is responsible for all the sensory organs, Gyanendriyas, and the organs of action, Karmendriyas. It coordinates and controls the movements of the legs, arms, and neck, and directs the activities of the brain and sensory organs that are situated in the head region. These include eyes, vision, ears, hearing, tongue, taste, nose, smell, skin, tactile sensation. The organs of action controlled by Udana are 3 hands, feet, and speech. The other two, the excretory and reproductive organs, are under the control of Apana. Udana also assists prana in inhalation and exhalation, intake of food and drink, as well as vomiting, spitting, and swallowing saliva. All the functions of the throat and mouth are sustained by Udana, and its influence begins from the region of Vishuddhi Chakra. It also maintains the pranic link between the heart and the brain. In addition, Udana aids the minor pranas, see below, in carrying out their activities due to its close proximity to them. All the 5 minor pranas function due to the energy derived from Udana. Udana sustains the sense organs and their activities. The enjoyment of senses keeps Udana active because it functions according to their needs. The force of Udana keeps the body upright. It is responsible for anti-gravitational activities of the body, particularly by the hands and the feet. subtle level functions of Udana Vayu. Subtle level Udana allows one to perform positive mental work. It is responsible for sweet, melodious, and impressive speech. It allows for the exchange of prana between the head and heart, thereby establishing contact between the subtle and causal bodies. Udana pervades Agya Bindu and Sahasrara Chakra. It brings energy up the koshas from the gross to the subtle. When the yogi fixes his attention on Udana, he becomes free from hunger, thirst, sleep, and drowsiness. The activity of Udana becomes extremely slow and subtle during meditation and samadhi. Indications of imbalance and irregular Udana causes breathing troubles, inefficiency in physical and mental work, inability to think clearly or express oneself, uncoordinated speech, weakened will, and lack of cheer.